declare you, Will and Georgia, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Davis! Alright, you might as well seal it with a kiss.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Just chilling in my wedding dress.
Wait.
And it's right this way. The day's starting me here. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's really crazy.
That's probably good for me. If you go right in front, Nick, if you want. So I can yell at you.
Them spikes you was on about.
Yeah, it's wrong word. When you work with people that you can take the piss out of.
All day long.
And not get punched. Hopefully. All right. Are you ready to get married?
I'm ready.
That's right answer. So if you want to take each other's hands for me, look at each other. Get you married. Will and Georgia. Just past 4 years ago now, the two of you came into one another's lives, and today, standing here among the mountains of Aotearoa, half the world away from home, there is now no question that after all this time, together is where you belong. So for a moment, just let this all sink in. Feel the earth under your feet. Breathe this cool mountain air. And just be here together. This part, and went straight to Beefy Boys for a burger, where you really began to hit it off. We'll remember sitting down that day and being taken aback by how smart and adventurous you were, and in a similar way, Georgia enjoyed your rather laid-back personality and the fantastic humour that you brought to the table. You've survived a global pandemic, you have moved in with one another and gone from one unforgettable experience to the next. From adopting your gorgeous Emmy to buying your own home together. And then to sunning it up in Tenerife, or then spending this incredible month abroad as you are right now. The presence of all of your friends and family. There's no denying that they would all absolutely have loved to be on this mountaintop here with us, but it also goes without saying that you have all of their love and support behind you every step of the way. They will all be overjoyed to hear and see all about this, and just think of how much fun you're going to have with them when you get to celebrate them in person. Willingly and with your whole heart, take Georgia's hand in marriage today, promising to love, honour, cherish and respect her as a loving partner from this day and for all of your days together still to come.
I do.
Well done. And Georgia, do you willingly and with your whole heart take Will's hand in marriage today, promising to love, honour, cherish and respect him as a loving partner from this day and for all of your adventures together still to come?
I do.
Beautiful. Then with that, I would like to hand over to each of you to read your vows. Now, would one of you prefer to go first, or is it paper, scissors, rock to decide?
Oh, I don't know.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, sounds like it's a deal. You do the counting.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
1, 2, 1, go.
It's meant to be.
Scissors, go. Rock. Yeah, ready?
Yeah. 3,
You count.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, we've got a winner. So, Will, do you want to go first, or do you want to be...
I'll go first.
Alright, then that's very gentlemanly. Pass that to you. And when you're ready, I'll dismiss.
Georgia, I'm so thankful that you came into my life. I'm grateful I get to marry my best friend and the love of my life. I couldn't imagine spending my life with anyone else. You're so special. I promise to always love you. I promise that if you need a friend, I will be a friend. I promise if you need someone to laugh with, I will be there to laugh with you. I promise that if you need help and support, I'll be there to help and support you. I promise that together we will make the most of life. I promise to always be there for you, and I will never give up on us. Most importantly, I promise to always go to Beefy Boys with you. Georgia, I'm so excited for our future together. I can't wait to share our hopes and dreams with each other and make them come true. I love you, and I'm so proud that I get to call you my wife.
Oh,
I'm
that's
crying.
so
Well
sweet.
done. I'm crying.
Oh,
It's almost
I
like-
should have
it's
gone
almost like
first.
It's just the rain in the
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, I can't believe this day has finally come, that I get to marry my best friend on this beautiful mountain in New Zealand. I'm beyond lucky to have such a kind, caring and clever and handsome person by my side every single day. And now I finally get to call you my husband. Will, you are everything and more to me. Thank you for everything you do for me. Life is so amazing with you. And today, being your wife is a dream come true. I promise to never stop loving you, caring for you, laughing with you, being right by your side through good times and bad, and to take on all life throws at us together. I know our future is bright, and I can't wait to share my whole life with you forever. There's a million more adventures to come as husband and wife. Will, I love you with all my heart.
Give each other a hug. I won't tell you off.
That's so sweet.
So with that in mind, Will, would you please take George's hand That's the one. Look into her eyes for me and repeat after me. Georgia, as I give you this ring,
Georgia, as I give you this ring,
know that you have my heart.
know that you have my heart.
I, William Henry Davies,
I, William Henry Davis,
take you, Georgia Ellie Matthews,
take you, Georgia Ellie Matthews,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
Well done, Mary. Beautiful. Georgia, please take Will's hand.
Is this the right one?
That's the one. Look into his eyes for me and repeat after me. William, with this ring,
William, with this ring,
know that you have my heart.
know that you have my heart.
I, Georgia Ellie Matthews,
I, Georgia Ellie Matthews,
take you, William Henry Davies,
take you, William Henry Davis,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
Beautiful. All right, hold each other's hands, give them a real good squeeze. And let me now declare you, Will and Georgia, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Davis! All right, you might as well seal it with a kiss.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's kind of crazy.
In the middle. In the middle. Congratulate you both. Well done, mate. I'm going to cry.
Wow.
And can you read dear by dear? You heard that?
Thanks, sir. You actually took more shots than me. I've been out photographing. Yeah, he works. He's working hard. I'm hardly working.
Whoa, there's a lot of it. How the hell did I get that from England?
Did you bring it all the way from the UK?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Good effort.
When there's a will, there's a way.
All right.
We've got to go. So fast.
Come on, Mrs. Davis.
The sun's out down here. You don't need any more UV anyway.
It's just great.
Hello. Just chilling in my wedding dress. That's funny.
Way.
And this way, this way.
Cheers.